want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you have been looking for a way to instantly elevate your garden or yard, you are in the right place. Today we are diving into the world of beautiful flagstone walkways, a simple yet breathtaking landscaping feature that can completely reshape your outdoor space. Stay tuned as we walk through incredible flagstone layout ideas and design tips that will turn your property into a true showstopper. A flagstone walkway is an exterior path crafted from flat, naturally split stones such as slate, sandstone, limestone, or bluestone, arranged in either irregular interlocking patterns or clean, geometric layouts. Homeowners choose flagstone because it offers an irreplaceable organic aesthetic that synthetic pavers simply cannot replicate, blending seamlessly into lush gardens, green lawns, and flower beds. Beyond its undeniable visual appeal, flagstone is exceptionally durable, slip-resistant, and capable of withstanding extreme weather conditions without cracking, making it a timeless, low-maintenance investment that dramatically boosts your home's curb appeal and market value. Flagstone is a classic, timeless walkway choice that adds charm and warmth to your outdoor space. The material offers natural patterns, shapes, and textures. These 10 beautiful flagstone walkway ideas work for front entryways, garden paths, and other places in your landscape that lead from one spot to another. One. Peaceful flagstone walkway idea. Flagstone walkways make charming and lasting additions to any outdoor space. Flagstone's variety of shapes and sizes allows you to design the perfect path for your garden. Try creating a winding path that leads to a cozy seating area, adding a touch of seclusion to your urban backyard. 2. Stone walkways for enjoying the landscape. Adding stone walkways to your garden welcomes both guests and family to explore and enjoy the lush scenery. A flagstone path is a wonderful choice as it's low maintenance and easily integrates into your landscape design. 3. Aged stone path adds charm. Stone paths allow flowers and greenery to thrive between the stones, giving the impression of an ancient walkway. These small plants mirror the surrounding greenery, adding to the path's timeless charm. Regularly trimming these plants ensures a neat appearance and helps prevent tripping hazards. 4. Winding flagstone walkway idea. Consider designing a winding flagstone path instead of a straight walkway to your front door. This allows guests to savor the beauty of your blooming plants and lush greenery as they approach. Pay attention to the stone placement, highlighting the most striking pieces for an inviting and leisurely journey. 5. Scenic flagstone stair walkway. Enhance your outdoor space by incorporating a stone path into a stairway. The unique shapes of flagstone add visual interest and complement your landscape. Pairing the path with low stone walls creates a harmonious look. This type of walkway invites leisurely strolls and provides scenic views as it leads to the main house. 6. Narrow flagstone walkway idea. In gardens with ample greenery, a slender flagstone path invites guests to explore. This narrow walkway fits perfectly between plantings, offering an ideal route to wander the grounds and discover hidden treasures along the way. 7. Trimmed pathway for strolls. Flagstone's variety in shape and size makes it easy to find the perfect style for your backyard. Using square-shaped stones creates a neatly trimmed path that seamlessly integrates into the garden. The walkway offers visitors the chance to enjoy the views without disrupting the landscape. Placing a small bench beside the path adds a cozy spot to pause and appreciate the scenery. 8. Gated flagstone path. Flagstone paths complement nearly any garden, enhancing the natural beauty of your outdoor space. Unlike some paved walkways, flagstone paths fit naturally in yards filled with lush greenery. By leading from a patio under a blooming archway, these paths create enjoyable short strolls for guests. Consider similar pathways to connect different areas without disrupting the garden's harmony. 9. Short stepping stone walkway. Create a short walkway with simple stepping stones rather than using closely spaced stones. Varying the stone sizes adds visual interest, making each step feel adventurous. Rounded stones blend well with similarly shaped plantings and circular structures in your landscape. 10. Flagstone pathway around the corner. Take advantage of flagstone's versatility when designing your walkway. Various stone shapes can complement your outdoor decor, creating a narrow path that reduces tripping risks. A side path under a Japanese maple tree adds to the yard's tropical charm. The lush landscape and curving path invite exploration and discovery. Designing a flagstone walkway is one of the most rewarding outdoor upgrades you can make, offering a perfect harmony between rugged natural beauty and functional garden design. Whether you prefer a rustic organic path filled with ground cover or a sleek, modern geometric walkway, there is a flagstone style out there that fits your personality and home architecture perfectly. With a little creativity and planning, you can turn any ordinary path into an inviting feature that welcomes guests and elevates your daily outdoor experience. If you found these flagstone walkway ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow home decor enthusiasts, and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more brilliant home and garden transformation tips. Which flagstone style was your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We love reading your thoughts. Click the bell icon so you never miss an update, and we will see you in the next video. you.